Hi, Doctor. My name is Chua Ling Wei, and in this video, I will explaining the 3D model that I create, which is the Petronas Twin Tower KLCC, one of the Malaysia's most frequent landmark. So I will also talk about how I built this model in Tinkercad and also the Blender. So here is my 3D model of the KLCC. I'm using two applications. So I try to represent the two towers, the bridge connecting them, and the base structure. So you can see the tall cylinders shape for the towers and the connecting bridge between the two towers in the middle. So I want to make it more simple and recognized as the Petronas Tower. So how do I achieve this model? To create this model, I'm using the basic primitive shape, mainly is cone. Actually, this is a cone because inside the Blender, we don't have actual triangle. So I'm using cone and adjust the vertices to become four vertices. So another one is using cubes, and this one is using the rectangle inside the thing. So I'm using pawns for the top spirals at the KLCC tower, and the cubes was used for the main structure building connecting between the bridge also. And for the decorative parts are details and near of the top and the middles. I adjust the combined rectangular and the triangular faces. I adjust the vertices and edges inside the blender to make the tower look more smoother and realistic like the KLCC. So for the position, I duplicate the first tower and then place as the make as a second tower. So both are the symmetric. So the comparison between two application for the 3D modeling software, Tinkercad is more user-friendly, as you can see, especially for the beginners. The interface is very simple. You can just drag all the shape that you want, and then adjust it. It's very simple, and drop the shape is very easy. However, it's quite limited in the functions and it doesn't allow detailed editing and vertices or editing animations. But for Blender, Blender is more powerful and professional tools to creating a 3D models. So it allowed to edit the vertices, edges, and faces precisely, which help in creating more complex and realistic 3D objects. You also can editing the texture, lightning, animation to a model. So now I got animations. You can see the bridge is broken. So you can adjust from which second to what second you want to let the bridge fall down. It's quite interesting. So it's very professional tools. But the disadvantages is that it will take more times to do the research and learn the Blender because there are many tools and functions to understand. So in conclusion, Tinkercad is great for the simple projects, especially for beginners, while the Blender is better for the advanced modeling and professional use. So reflection for the task. So through this task, I have learned a lot about 3D modeling's concept and techniques, and I gained a better understanding of how different primitive shape and combine to create a complex object. I also developed problem solving and creative skill while adjusting the shapes and learning a new tools inside the Blender. So you can using the mouse pad to adjust, and also inside the Blender we have the know the projection and the lighting. So overall, this project helped me to appreciate how 3D models are used in the architectures, animations, and game designs. So it also improved my patience and attention to details because even a small adjustment can also make a differences in a final model. So in the conclusion, I really enjoy and creating the 3D modeling about the KLCC model and exploring different software between Tinkercad and Blender. So I believe these skills will be useful for my future projects and related to design and animations. So thank you for watching my presentations.